welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to get an IP address from an email. So to do that, what you need to do is, first thing is, you need to do this process on a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop. Once you open the Google browser, you click open new tab and open the Gmail at first. You open the Gmail web page and get logged in into the account. Now once you are logged in into the account, you find the email to which you want to get an IP address. So from all these emails, I'm just gonna go with the Reddit mail. Click open that mail and you need to click on this dotted line over here, the more option. You click that. From there you scroll down and click on show original. This will open all the information in another web page. These are all the back-end information. So here, if you look at the SPF, this is one of the IP address of this email from which the mail has been sent. In this particular information, you will find more than one IP address. To find that, what you can do is, you can tap on Ctrl+F on your keyboard, and there on the search, you need to type in received. Once you do that, if you scroll down, you will find all the received word on this particular screen or page being highlighted. If you go down, you can see all the information over here. And here in this line as well, you will find a different IP address over here. You can see all over here, IP address, a different IP address from all of this. So this is a way how you can find a IP address from an email. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.